Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. Good morning to all of you. Guys, I hope you all are well and safe in home. So guys, I would like to suggest you in these situations, please don't go outside of home. Please stay at home and be safe. So guys, in this video, this is a recent job openings I would like to tell you. So if you have a dream, you have a searching to move golf jobs, and if you are really finding a job in Gulf country, I hope this information will be helpful for your career. So please keep watching this video till the end, and please share this information to your friends and relatives who want a Gulf job. So this is a requirements from Dubai and Qatar. I hope you all know that both of country are Gulf country. So guys, if you want to move Gulf country with a job, please keep watching this video till the end. And if you have the previous experience, if you returns from golf and you are looking for a job again, you hope this information will be helpful for your careers. So guys, let's focus on the first job. Retail sales manager required in Dubai. Looking for a retail sales manager. Job locations Dubai. Job responsibilities includes managing premium company showrooms across UAE apart from conducting training programs for the sales team on a regular basis. Achieving monthly sales target, conducting promotional activities and managing the sales force effectively and efficiently. So guys, interested candidates can share the CV to the given official email ID. So if you have the proper qualifications and experience as a retail sales manager, if you want to move Gulf country, please forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. And about the salary, about the all details, they will discuss you during the interview. Of course, the interview will be happen when the situation will be normalized. And as you know, it's a very critical situation for the coronavirus. And I would like to tell you, if you have the experience and qualifications for these positions, please forward your updated CV, and of course you will get a notifications to attend the interview. So guys, let's move to the next job. This is a requirement from Qatar. Doha. I hope you all know that Doha is the capital city of Qatar. Trading specialist. Trading specialist. I hope so many guys have knowledge about trading. They have huge experience. So if somebody want to move Gulf country in this profession, please focus urgent hiring for trading specialist cables. Job locations Doha, Qatar. Candidates must have similar product sales experience or should be from electrical industry background. Interested candidates forward your updated resume to the given official email ID. So guys, this is all about the urgent vacancies from Qatar and Dubai. In these situations, they are need a urgent candidate. So if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per the mentioned by the employer, you can apply as soon as possible. So guys, which job is suitable for you, like trading specialist or retail sales manager? If you have the proper qualifications and experience, any of these jobs, you can apply by forwarding your CV. And of course, you will get a notifications to attend the interview because this is the urgent job vacancies from Dubai and Qatar. So guys, I would like to suggest you, if you are golf returns in these professions, don't be late because as my knowledge, the golf employer or the golf country, they always requirements a golf experience holder. So if you are belongs to the same professionals like retail sales manager or trading specialist, and if your golf returns, don't be late. This is a golden chance for you, and they are specially finding for the golf returns holders. So also the fresher candidates can be applied. There is a chances to accept the fresher candidates. Some of company from golfs they are also want the fresher candidates. So guys, if you are experienced holder and also fresher, both can be applied for this job. So don't be late. As a retail sales manager or as a trading specialist, you can apply in Doha, Qatar, also in Dubai. So again, I would like to tell you this is a urgent job vacancies. So if you are interested, apply as soon as possible and attend the interview by the guidance of employer or the company, and you can move to golf job with a proper career. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and I would like to tell you one thing: all information is available in the descriptions below this video. You can collect this email ID and informations, and if it's suitable for you, you can apply for this job. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time. Please utilize this information and apply as soon as possible. So thank you.